Unbox and set up ASUS ZenEye. This is the ASUS ZenEye wireless security camera system. The 1080p Full HD camera system is rechargeable, has a 1-year battery life, quick activation of real-time streaming and recording, and is IP65 weather resistant. ZenEye offers year-round protection inside and out. In the box you'll find ASUS ZenEye cameras, ASUS ZenEye Cloud Hub, magnetic stands, Cloud Hub adapter, USB cable, USB power adapter, RJ45 cable, mounting screws, anchors, and a bracket, video monitoring in progress sticker, quick start guide. Quickly set up ASUS ZenEye in 3 steps. Step 1. Cloud Hub setup. Connect the DC adapter to Cloud Hub and a power outlet. Then press the power button to turn on Cloud Hub. Connect Cloud Hub to your Wi-Fi router with the Ethernet cable provided. And make sure your mobile device and Cloud Hub are accessing the same Wi-Fi network. Wait for the power light to turn solid amber and the network light to turn solid green. Step 2. App Setup. 1. Create a new ASUS account or log into your existing ASUS account from your mobile device. 2. On the home screen, tap Add New Device. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to add Cloud Hub. Step 3. Camera installation and setup. Press the sync button at the top of Cloud Hub for at least 1 second and wait for the LED light to start blinking. Press the sync button on the rear of ZenEye camera for 1 second. The status light on the front of ZenEye camera will start blinking. Once ZenEye camera and Cloud Hub have been paired, the blinking light on Cloud Hub will turn solid green. Find the spot where you want to place the camera. You can now access the camera from the ASUS ZenEye app. Step 1. Cloud Hub setup. Step 2. App setup. Step 3. Camera installation and setup. Setup complete. ASUS ZenEye. Year-round protection inside and out.